Under 3 minutes physics motion, we're taking the topic of distance time graph, where the values are not given. You're not given any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers are not given. Only plain basic shapes of graphs are given, and you have to tell about the object, कि उसका motion कैसा है, उसका everything about that object, right? So whenever we have a distance time graph, there are only 4 things that we have to tell about it. Any type of, any graph, whether you get them, mostly the most common 4 types of graphs that you will come across are these 4 only. There will be no other types of graphs which will be there. Okay. Now, there are only 4 things that we would tell about a DT graph. Whether the object is at rest or is it at motion. What is the velocity? Is it fixed? Is it zero? Is it changing? What is the motion type? मतलब uniform motion या non-uniform motion? And what is the acceleration? Always, these are the 4 things that you have to tell in a DT, distance time graph. Okay, we take the first kind of graph. Now we'll never be bothered about this. Just see the distance. What is happening to distance? Is the distance changing? No. If it was 20, it is remaining 20, only 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. This means what? The body is not, distance is not changing. The body is at rest. Rest पे होगी तो उसकी स्पीड तो होने वाली है नहीं. जब रेस्ट पे है, there will be no velocity, zero velocity. अब जब velocity नहीं है, मूव ही नहीं कर रहा है, रेस्ट पे है, तो मोशन कहाँ से होने वाला है? There will be no motion. There is no motion only at all. And जब कुछ भी नहीं है तो एक्सेलरेशन का तो कहाँ से मतलब हो जाएगा? So such a graph has nothing. If the body is at rest and nothing is happening to such a body because the distance is not changing. Its example keeping 20 each. Now we come to this kind of a graph where the DT graph has a straight line, slanting straight line. Okay, so here again we will not look at time. We look at the distance. So what can we see? Suppose here the distance is 0 meter. Here maybe the distance is 10 meter. Here maybe the distance is 20 meter. Here maybe the distance is 30 meter. So can we see that the distance is increasing? Just look at the distance axis. Distance is increasing. So if the distance is increasing, the body is in motion. चल तो रही है ना वो. Distance बढ़ रहा है इसका मतलब चल तो रही है. It is in motion. It is not resting. Now, because it's a straight line, it is not टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. Straight line की वजह से its velocity becomes fixed or constant. Now, जब भी हम कहते हैं velocity constant है, मतलब नहीं तो हम accelerator use कर रहे हैं, नहीं हम brakes use कर रहे हैं. हम बस चले जा रहे हैं same direction में. तो उस चीज़ को क्या बोलते हैं? उस टाइप के मोशन को when we don't change speed, we don't change direction, that is called uniform motion. So the motion is uniform. Again, नहीं हमारी स्पीड चेंज हो रही है, ना ही हमारी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है, तो एक्सेलरेटर तो हमने दबाया नहीं ना, तो एक्सेलरेशन विल बी 0 in this case. I hope this is clear. Okay. The third type of graph which is common, again we look only at the distance. Now ये distance कभी पहले धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा था, and maybe I'll make it even more clearer. ये ऐसे से बढ़ रहा था, and then suddenly it became very high. Suddenly it rose like exponent. So what is happening? Is the distance changing? Yes, the distance is 10 here, it is 50 here, it is maybe 1000 here. It is increasing very fast. The distance is increasing very fast. Distance बढ़ रहा है. चल तो रहे हो आप. So you are in motion. The body is in motion. अब पहले आप थोड़ा सा चल रहे हो, फिर ज़्यादा चल रहे हो, and it's a curved graph. It's a curved graph means the velocity is increasing, the velocity is changing. हमने उसके ऊपर एक्सेलरेटर दबाया हुआ है जिससे उसकी स्पीड बढ़ती जाए. अब जब स्पीड बढ़ रही है, फिक्स नहीं है, we call it non-uniform motion. और स्पीड बढ़ रही है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? उसी चीज़ को हम कहते हैं कि एक्सेलरेशन पॉजिटिव है. Everything, the entire game is about speed. Velocity. The velocity, because it's a curved line, the velocity in a DT graph will be increasing. Now we have a fourth graph which is very stupid. We can see कि टाइम तो हमने बढ़ ही नहीं रहा, टाइम तो यहाँ का यहीं है, और डिस्टेंस सडनली 10 से 100 से 5000 हो गया है, 10 से 100 से 5000 हो गया. डिस्टेंस है, पहले 10 था, फिर 100 हो गया, फिर 5000 हो गया. बट इन हाउ मच टाइम? देयर इज नो टाइम, कुछ टाइम स्पेंड ही नहीं किया. नाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट इन नो टाइम you travel thousands of kilometers? You will take 1 second, 2 seconds, something that you will take now. So this kind of a straight line, matlab ekdam see the vertical graph where they don't take any time but travel thousands of meters or kilometers is not possible at all. So such type of a graph where you have a vertical line in a DT graph is not possible. So remember, always we have to state only these 4 things. And these are the typical possible graphs which are asked and which are needed to be understood for a DT, distance time graph. Thank you.